My name is Xiaofan, and I'm the co-founder of Polymaker. We're a company dedicated to developing new and functional materials for 3D printing. To me, XEV is the first real mass production project using 3D printing. When I say real, of course there has been other companies using 3D printing for production, but nothing can really compare with XEV in terms of the scale, the size, and the intensity. However, if you think about the project from the first principles, everything fundamentally is feasible and makes sense. So that's the beauty of it. Of course, there will be a lot of technological challenges that needs to be solved and overcome. But I firmly believe that this is what's going to happen. We have the best team, best people who will solve those problems and challenges and make the project successful. 3D printing in the beginning was only used for prototyping, for rapid prototyping. There was not that much required for materials. But as 3D printing becomes more and more a production tool, there has been a growing need for high performance materials like engineering plastics. So Polymaker was founded back in 2012. So for the last 6 years, we have been working very hard on developing new high-performance engineering materials for 3D printing. And that's a firm belief that we have, which is that the availability of functional high-performance materials will enable 3D printing to be used in a much wider range of applications. And these are it is the enabling factor for projects like this. For FDM or material extrusion-based 3D printing in general, I think the biggest advantages are, number one, you have the widest choice of materials. Number two, you have probably the most competitive cost structure. And finally, the technology is also very flexible, so you can very easily integrate the technology with your existing manufacturing process. So I believe in this particular case, I think material extrusion-based 3D printing is the best choice for the XEV project. Yep, I think the XEV Polymaker collaboration and the success will certainly inspire more companies to adopt 3D printing in production, in final production. I think it's very clear this is an inevitable trend of the industry. I think yes, certainly we'll see that happening more and more in the future.